How to use 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site bybit.com. It will land you on the official page of Bybit. Once you're in here, you need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in here, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Different options will be visible to you. Head over to My Rewards. Inside My Rewards, scroll all the way down, and then here you will be able to see 20 USDT coupon. All you want to do is tap on Use. It will open up this page. Now, in order to use 20 USDT, what you want to do is, in here, in the section of Order by Quantity, you have to tap on it. In here, you have to select USDT Order by Value, and then click on Confirm. Now, what you want to do is, you have to enter the amount that you want to use. Let's say I want to use 10 USDT. Once you have entered, tap on Buy. Simply click on Confirm. And there you go, 10 USDT has been successfully used. Now the remaining 10, you can use whenever you want to, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.